Matapos ang video na ginawa ko tungkol sa top 5 teams in the East, tutungo na tayo sa bloodbath na tatawagin nating Western Conference. Napakaraming malalakas na teams dito sa conference na ito. Kaya tignan natin kung sino ang nakamake sa top 5 sa aking list. So kung handa na kayo, simulan na natin ang video ito. Top 5, the Sacramento Kings. After ending their 16-year playoff drought, nakikita kong magpapatuloy ang pag-angat nitong Sacramento Kings team na ito. They are young, entertaining, and a fun team to watch. At last year nga muntik na nilang masilat ang former champions na Golden State Warriors in an epic 7-game series. Kitang-kita sa Game 7 na kulang sila sa playoff experience. At sa tingin ko this year, they can make a statement. Led by All-Stars De'Aaron Fox and Domantas Sabonis, I feel that the Sacramento Kings team will continue their momentum na nakuha nila last season. Kung katulad ng Cleveland Cavaliers makapondo sila ng napakaraming wins, pwede pa silang tumaas sa aking top 5 list. Pero for now, safe na sila dito sa number 5. Top 4, Golden State Warriors. The Warriors are the most intriguing team in the West simply because of how their roster looks right now. Meron silang Chris Paul sa point guard, Steph Curry playing off ball, Andrew Wiggins sa small forward, Klay Thompson maglalaro sa power forward according to reports, and either Draymond Green or Kevon Looney sa center depende sa matchups. Kung mapapansin nyo medyo all-in sila sa kanilang starting 5 at medyo numipis nga ang kanilang size. Aside from that, intriguing din sila this season kasi merong reports na lumabas na si Klay Thompson ay nowhere near on signing an extension para sa Golden State Warriors. This season will be critical for them, and if things go south, ito na ang huling beses o ito na ang huling pagkakataon na mapapanood natin ang legendary trio na Steph Curry, Draymond Green at Klay Thompson. With that said, ang question na sasagutin ng Golden State Warriors ay ito: can the uncertainty of their future affect their performance this season? Top 3, LA Lakers. Entering his 20th season, LeBron James has shown no signs of slowing down, at yung ginawa ng Lakers this offseason really helped their championship aspirations para sa season na to. Jackson Hayes, Taurean Prince, Christian Wood, Cam Reddish at itong si Gabe Vincent. Solid acquisitions talaga. Two things ang nakikita kong magiging harang sa kanila para maging top team sa Western Conference. Yan ay ang consistency at health. Can Anthony Davis stay healthy and have an MVP type season this year? Can LeBron James continue to perform on a high level despite his age? And can the other players stay consistent? Yan ang mga tanong at yan ang mga aabangan natin para sa Lakers this season. Number 2, the Phoenix Suns. Kung ang Bucks nakuha si Damian Lillard, dito sa West nakuha ng Phoenix Suns itong si Bradley Beal, forming possibly the highest scoring trio in the NBA today, and they will be fun to watch. Isa sa mga problema ng Phoenix Suns last year, ang kanilang bench na napakanipis, pero this year, bumawi sila big time. Eric Gordon, Yuta Watanabe, Grayson Allen, Yusuf Nurkic at ito ngang si Bol Bol. This Suns team is loaded mga kapatid. Tingin ko rin on offense magiging ISO heavy itong team na to. As much as I hate it kasi Kevin Durant fan ako, yan talaga yung magiging approach nila. Kaya ang mga questions dito sa Phoenix Suns heading this season ay ito: can Booker, Beal, and Durant trust their teammates to make some shots? Can the big three stay healthy? And sino ang magiging number 3 guy sa kanilang tatlo? Number 1, Denver Nuggets. After their historic win last season, susubukan ngayon ng Denver Nuggets i-defend ang kanilang corona bilang NBA champions. Maniwala man kayo sa hindi, in a stacked conference like the Western Conference, sila pa rin talaga yung nakikita kong top team or team to beat dito sa West. Magiging maganda pa rin ang performances nito nila Nikola Jokic at ni Jamal Murray. Yung hustle at energy plays ni Aaron Gordon at yung sweet shooting nito ni Michael Porter Jr. Malaking kawalan sila Bruce Brown at Jeff Green para sa team na to. Dalawang players na talagang nag-step up last finals. Pero susubukan nila Justin Holiday at Christian Braun punuan ang mga pagkukulang ito. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang din to pero gustong gusto ko talaga yung idea na bibigyan ng pagkakataon i-defend ng defending champions ang kanilang corona. Kaya naman ang key question para sa Denver Nuggets, can they go back to back this season? At dito na nagtatapos ang aking video tungkol dito sa top 5 teams in the West. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung top 5 teams in the East ko, pwede mo siyang panoorin dito. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below at maraming salamat po sa laging pagsuporta at laging pag-abang sa aking mga videos. Hanggang sa susunod kong content. Peace!